Rumor has it that at midnight if you encounter someone waving, never park your car. Otherwise, sit in your car. Maybe not necessarily human, ha ha ha. But babe, I don't believe in these wild hills. Even if I want to meet someone, you are fine. Hey, what made you see it clearly? Coming teacher, such a fast speed. Even if you meet someone, you can't stop. Do you think it is brother? Beautiful woman, are you alone? Do you want a ride? Let me tell you something. Fortunately, you encountered waste. Otherwise, where can I take a car in this deserted mountain? By the way, where is the beautiful woman's house? Do you want to go to my place? Chan-chan is real. This is not a human being. I'm driving. That's what happens when you don't wear a seatbelt. Hey, be careful of sharp turns. Be careful of the right slope. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Now open the door and run. Hey, why didn't the female ghost chase after me? I'll take a look. Help. Ha ha ha, hurry up and get in the car. This time, if you encounter a beckoning, you must not stop again. Hello, the Korean language says people wave. Then Fei waving should be fine, right? Come on up, you have to help each other when you go out and spend money. Thank you. What's the big deal? Is it a ghost to pay due diligence? Look at his posture. This is going to choke me from the back row. Brother, since you are unkind, don't blame me. Ah, why is there an apple in that trunk for a while? Do you take the peel? We worked. Okay. No, he's got a brick and he's going to blow my head off. In a hurry. So what's up? Sister Ping took it from me for a while, peeled the skin and put it in the pot. No way. He's making me paranoid. I'm also tired of letting this lung dry. I sat in the back row. That way you won't be afraid of him launching a sneak attack. I didn't expect it to be so refreshing. No, I haven't gotten in the car yet. I haven't gotten in the car yet. Bro is thinking about my car. Oops, I had to know earlier that no one could wave on the road. This is troublesome now. If there is a car, please wave to stop and step on my car. Huh? Okay, play me like this, right? Change to women's clothing and come to the car. Hee 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 brother. What the hell? I'm on my knees. Give me a ride. Annoying. You drivers are so indifferent. This time I'm standing in the middle of the road. I can't believe no one dares to walk. Ha ha. Ha, the car is coming. Hurry up and work. Stop the car now, guys. If he stops in a while, I'll get in his car as soon as possible.